Every loaf begins here, where grain meets sunlight.
Quality is judged long before machines ever turn.
Modern harvest blends tradition with precision. Each kernel moves with purpose. Volume matters, but purity matters more. Only the right balance moves ahead. Protection begins at the source. The journey to bread has begun.
From earth to industry, grain moves forward.
Distance preserves what the field has given. Momentum carries quality forward.
Scale begins with coordination.
Industry waits at the edge of the land. Every entry is measured.
From transport to transformation.
Purpose-built paths guide every grain. Accuracy begins before unloading. The factory is ready to receive. Positioning ensures control. Gravity begins the factory journey. Every path leads inward.
A modern craft house at scale.
Human hands still guide the process. Design shapes efficiency. This is where raw becomes refined. Storage prepares for precision. Before refinement, purity is restored. Unwanted elements are left behind. Air becomes the silent sorter. Safety is engineered at every step. Motion reveals imperfections. Technology sharpens the human eye. Only the best moves on. Consistency is engineered, not assumed. The grain is now ready for transformation. The grain is now ready for transformation. The heart of bread begins to turn. Pressure reshapes nature. Pressure reshapes nature. Texture defines character. Nothing is wasted, everything is sorted.
Feel still matters.
Speed meets precision. Balance is prepared in advance. Separate elements become one. Consistency is engineered, not guessed. Time and motion awaken structure.
Readiness is released.
Movement preserves integrity. Uniformity is essential.
Every gram counts. Shape begins to tell the story.
Rest strengthens what motion created. Living processes take over.
This is where bread becomes alive.
Automation protects consistency. Speed without force.
Form follows intention.
Machines now see what humans taught. Every cut has purpose. Environment shapes crust before heat. Precision removes chance. The final transformation approaches. Heat turns craft into permanence. Color signals perfection.
The firal's touch is complete.
Patience locks in texture.
Human eyes ensure perfection.
Consistency extends to the smallest detail. Temperature sets quality in place. Precision is confirmed again. The final touch completes the artisan promise. From oven to hand, every step counts.
Even finished products are scrutinized.
structure reveals the story of craft.
Science ensures consistency.
Color is more than appearance. It is quality.
Every gram tells a story of precision. Protection starts before the shelf.
Every batch is accountable.
Inspection ensures trust in every bite.
Quality verified. The journey continues.
Packaging preserves freshness and presentation. Information is as important as the product itself. Organization sets the stage for delivery.
Storage is controlled, ready for transport.
Every load begins its final journey.
Prepared for delivery, the craft reaches its destination.
The journey from farm to table continues.
And this is how modern factories produce artisan bread from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.